another week of sitting with no bed on it, I've put a better gooseneck plate in it than what the previous owner had in the truck, and put a bed back on the truck. And first day driving it to and home from work, and truck is a lot happier with the AirDog. So yeah, this first long drive other than county roads, and it's a little happier with an AirDog. I mean, it's in limp mode right now, so I can't really lay into it, but definitely a lot better than limp mode used to be with a factory style lift pump. But the truck does respond a lot better for not changing tuning, not changing anything. It is a lot happier. AirDog and AirDog lift pump, Quadstar fuel sending unit, and Quadstar inlet to the injection pump. Going from a 5/16 factory inlet into the injection pump to a 3/8 inlet from Quadstar. Little double clutch action because third gear synchros are gone. The truck is a lot happier now. So if you have a 6.5 that you plan on keeping and you want to take good care of it and make sure you got a good fuel system that'll keep the injection pump and injectors happy for a long time, I would highly recommend either a 100-gallon-an-hour AirDog or a 100-gallon-an-hour FASS. Either one can be purchased from Quadstar. I would highly recommend Quadstar's billet fuel sending unit. That makes it a lot easier to run the AirDog or the FASS, either one. You don't have to cut your factory steel lines and use compression fittings to go to the bigger line to go into the lift pump. It makes you just run 1/2 inch to the lift pump and then 3/8 to the injection pump from the lift pump. It makes it a lot easier, a lot better, and I would highly recommend it. This truck is way happier.